Totally certified. Pick your team number 6. Good luck, guys. I got one more that I'm going to add to the store. I'll add it right after this. Hi, Rainieri. Good luck. Damn, I need top loaders. What's up, Chris? Yeah, so after this, we'll add in number 7. We'll do WNBA. I still need a push there. We're going to clear out our Court Kings. We're going to clear out our Prism Hobbies. Our Illusions Football. We'll clear them out. And we should be getting another 6 or 9 boxes of this. I think either tomorrow. Keyword is I think. Good luck. I don't think so, no. I think we're slimming down on products this year. I think so, Diablo. I didn't see an announcement. Because like Kabooms, for example, like Revolution usually would have been out already. But we're going to have Kabooms and Revolution and stuff like that. So I think we're going to see a lot of products axed this year. Good luck. That's a sick Bob Blue. Graffiti. Saru and the Wizards. 34.49. Richel Shea on the base. Bob base. Purple die cut of Mitchell. Connect. Another Bob Graffiti. Red of Jalen Green. Ajay. Red. Keegan on the blue. Keegan on the blue. I think I might have gold. It might have ink. That's nasty. That's nasty. Tyrese Maxey to 10. 3-color. Is that game used? It is. 3-color game used jersey piece for Heels. That's nasty. That's nasty. Focus. That's nasty. That's nasty. 4 of 10. Might have more gold. We might have more gold. McCullum. Red. Red auto. It's Cason. Certified competitors. To 75 for the Thunder. Troy W. Colic. Pink die cut. That is disgusting. The patches on this. Wow. 47 of 75. Ludosa gets a Connect 3-color jersey piece. I have gold. Wemby blue. Gold of Derek White. Wesley and his Celtics. Double golds there. 3 of 10. That was a pretty nice box. That was a very nice box. That was a very nice box. What's up, Aussie? I had the Jets sitting there late yesterday for you. Was Prism Retail. I had the Jets late. Waiting for you to come in and swoop them up. Box 2. Game worn of Zion. Fabrics of the game for BC. Desmond Bain. AJ Johnson, 3-color purple. RPA for the Bucks. Motown of 49. Nice hit. Oh, that's a nice bub. They did this product right. To 125 on the Bub Carrington. Red of Giannis. Kareem, purple die cut. Jacoby Walter. That's a nasty Stockton. For the Jazz and Cook. 20 of 25 on the camel of John Stockton. It's a Wells graffiti. That another gold? No, it's not. I thought it was gold. It's a gold team of Bam. Harden pink die cut. Red of Daddy A on the red. Simmons for the Nets, orange. Matas. Shepherd blue. Turner purple. One box left. Number 7's being added after this. Let's do a guess. Guess the last auto for 20. Go. Let's wake these people up. They're not awake yet. On Hump Day. Diablo, you know, you'd be surprised. Actually, maybe not you. What's up, Slapson? What's up, Isoka? Yes, I'm hot. Not in a good way. Yeah, I got one more I can add in, AK. The people forced, they twisted my arm. I know. I always laugh. You're not the only Hawaiian that comes in, though. Get a couple guys that come in like 3:30, 4 o'clock. But I mean, that's typical for most of us Hawaiians. Especially if you live Evo Beach, Mililani, Waiua, Waianae. You're going to be up early to beat traffic. Good luck. I got one more to add in. Number 7 is the last. Unless more comes in today. Then different story. Thought that might have been gold. Cody Williams red graffiti. 100%. Brogdon green. Is this to 5? It is. 3 of 5 on the Brogdon. Kuzma pink. Jokic red. Nemhard. Bronny. Anybody guess Devin Carter? That was very guessable. Sacramento. Wiggy with the 3 colors. That's a nasty shepherd too. Banana got it for 20. Castle. Richard Carter on the pink. Clay on the blue. What's up, Turner? Edie. I'll put in $20 in Blez Bucks right after this, buddy. Reeves on the red. Sar on the graffiti. Ooh. And an orange of Steph Curry. That first box was nasty. Those other two were all right. Surprising I didn't hit a vet auto. First time we haven't seen a vet come out. Recap. That Maxi Gold game used was pretty cool. And that was number 6, guys. I'll add in number 7. That is the last certified that I'll have for today, most likely. Most likely.